Hi, I'm Dr. Bloom. Tension headaches are a common condition that we treat. I'm going to give you 3 tips for things that you can do at home to try to alleviate your tension headache without the use of any medication. So the first thing you're going to do is fix your posture. Often when we've been slouched at our desk all day or in an overstuffed couch, our head comes forward and we put a lot of strain on the muscles on the back of the neck that hold up the head. That can cause a tension headache. So first I want you to think about balancing your head over your body. That will help. The second thing I want you to do is to start drinking water. Dehydration or underhydration is a common cause for headaches. Usually about 20 to 30 ounces of water will do the trick, but you want to sip the water slowly. You don't want to just go pound a whole glass of water, because that might not quite hydrate you as effectively as sipping will. The third thing you can do is make a towel roll that's about 4 inches in diameter, and you can lie down on your back with the towel roll underneath your neck. Just like this. Make sure your head is tilted back slightly and your knees are bent and you're comfortable. Lying on your back like this for about 20 minutes will help decrease any muscle tension that's causing your headache at the base of the skull. And if this doesn't work for you, then call and make an appointment. Chiropractic adjustments are very effective for treating chronic tension headaches. About 70% of all headaches are caused from the joints of the neck. So if you're getting regular tension headaches and unable to manage them on your own, come see us. I'm sure we can help.